This fall, students in the College of Business Administration teamed up with several companies as consultants to help them gain B Corp Certification, a sustainability seal attesting they meet high standards of social and environmental performance, transparency, and accountability. The 70 students were part of a hands-on initiative in Clinical Associate Professor Shahnaz Ibrahim's Business and the External Environment class and a partnership with Avi Mayerhoff, Director of Corporate Partnerships in the Office of the Vice Chancellor for Innovation. The companies included a Wisconsin brewery, a local coffee shop, a Naperville food brokerage company, a Chicago marketing and growth consultant, and other companies. Businesses that receive B Corp certification are committed to having positive impacts on 5 key stakeholders: their community, their customers, their employees, their environment, and their company's overall governance, which they take into consideration as they grow, said Meyerhoff, academic chair for B Local Illinois. Students had to present their final proposals to companies in class. Third-year marketing major Allison Zeck says,
"It motivates me as a student more to dive into the project because it does have a direct impact and I'm working with a real company, and it gives you a taste of what a business role could be."
You can find more stories on today.uic.edu.